For 45 years, Unimec has faced change with one firm belief. Every challenge is an opportunity to evolve. Over these years, we have built expertise, developed solutions, and turned experience into value. We have lived through moments that tested our ability to adapt and to look further ahead. And it is precisely from this journey that the future is born. Today, on Unimec's Day, we present Ariadne, Unimec's artificial intelligence. A new way to make the most of the company's wealth of knowledge, make information more accessible, and support design engineers in their everyday technical decisions. A.R.I.A.N.N.A is not a destination, it is the next step. Because to innovate means to keep looking for new paths without forgetting where you started. "45 years of history have brought us here. From today, the future has a new name. Ariadne, you ask, she solves.